Hello everyone, welcome to a new game dev stream with Rubanek. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do today. I'm just trying to get some work done. I'm doing it online for everyone to see. Anyway, I'm about to fix some settings on my end really quick because I'm not able to see the YouTube chat yet, and I'm streaming on 4 different platforms right now. All right, everything's up and running. Today's gonna be a short stream. I'm gonna stream just for an hour, probably a little less. And then I'll end the stream because I need to do some stuff offline. Anyway, Let's get started quick, as fast as possible. All right, last time we fixed a bunch of the states of the player. So there's still some. So oh, that's right. So the attack state is still screwed up. Because the player attack function is not implemented yet. So let me first update all the plugins on LazyVim. Just gotta be quick. Then we'll get started. So we did not implement the player.attack function because we were working on the items. And we still need to fix the item database in order to actually I mean get it working in a way that the way that I want for all the item properties, so that we have setters and getters, and so that it supports inventory manager too. And we want to start with the ItemDB generator. So right now we're writing code that writes code, and I'm actually letting the AI do this for me. This is very tedious to work on, but it's really convenient. So what I want to do first, at least ask the AI to fix for me. It's just tedious work that I don't want to do, and it's this when it's just parsing files, or creating a file that generates another file. Coding AIs are really good at that. It's a simple pattern of, you know, figuring out what you want to write and then write that. And as long as the code is not too complex, they can do it easily. And in this case, it's just like a bunch of enums that we want to write and a bunch of simple functions under the ItemDB class. So there are not too many levels of abstraction. All right. So right now, what bothers me is this. I absolutely hate using strings for keys. I'd rather have the ItemDB have an enum called item properties that holds all the possible properties for each item. And we want to change this to those enums. And actually, this should be a different, an enum separated, or no, where do I define this? Because it cannot be within ItemDB. I mean, it can be within ItemDB, but I'm not sure where to put it yet. So we have the required entry keys, right? For this is fine. This is just for the item registry. This is for the generator enums itself. Herder! Welcome back. It's been a while. What's in the suit? What's new in the suit? There's a lot. I refactored a bunch of code. I added a bunch of like I'm actually writing some state machine code. Wrote a bunch of like stuff for like levels per skill, like Skyrim. Like you can, like you have like the athletic skill, like strength. This is like the magic skill, alchemy, blacksmithing, a bunch of stuff. A bunch of refactoring and some other stuff under the hood, like fixing. I think I fixed some engine bugs and the plugins. I updated all my plugins. I fixed all the issues on those plugins. It's been a lot. Oh, and I fixed the Godot team has some scripts for implementing, automating, built at the engine templates so that you can export to Windows, Linux, and whatnot. I was having issues on my end because I have some encryption and a custom engine that I'm using. It's Godot, but it has some modifications done by me. So I fixed that pipeline, so now I can export to everything. And as soon as I have some playable things, at least for like alpha testing stuff, if people want to do it, I want to do it on stream. Like I want to do some fix if I have enough people, you know, like do some fixes, export it to HTML, and then people can just reload or reload up a page or load a page and then test with me stuff to see how it feels and if they like it. Because there's a lot of balancing that needs to be done, and I want it to feel good, like it needs to feel like the leveling up needs to feel good and on a certain pace to an extent. Yeah, I mean, it's cool and exciting to me, and hopefully it's good stream material for people to come in and give feedback if they want. I'll probably be adding everyone to the credits if they test and comment and stuff. But yeah, I'm excited. How have you been? Like, holy shit, I haven't streamed in quite a while. I streamed yesterday, but I think I just started streaming yesterday after a month. So right here. You started streaming this week? Let's go! I have not been paying attention to my Twitch. Oh, I missed it. I'm pretty sure I followed you on Twitch, if I remember. Yeah, I did not see you streaming. Oh no, I missed it. Oh, I see. But yeah, that's school, studying. That comes first. Oh, so you've been streaming recently too. This is my second stream. I mean, you said you started this week, but I didn't know how many streams I missed, and it's just been 2. Oh my god. No, I need to show up more. My brain is farting so bad. I want to change these keys to something else. I think I'm just gonna ask the AI to do this. I'm very lazy. But what added properties do I want? So I know price. Oh wait, price. And we have the battle stats component, right? Damn, that's really cool. 6 average people is a lot. I mean, for a game dev stream, it is a lot. At least that's what I think. I don't know. It's kind of hard to like grow on Twitch as a developer. Because this is not really like highly emotional material. Only for people that are interested in it. At least the people, the people that really do game development on stream, not like some other game dev streamers that just tell people to go make games. Yeah, it is hard to be entertaining with code. Definitely. And all you're doing is thinking about problems that... Oh, wait, you were... Oh, okay, I thought it was a game that's free, but yeah, sure, for some point, yeah, that helps. Well, I'm getting some viewers. Hell yeah. You know what gets 10 average people easily? The Jackbox games. I think if you want to be like an affiliate on Twitch or something, I think you need at least 10 or 15 viewers. And there's a lot of people that play Jackbox games, Jackbox party packs. So that's one way to also get like a tiny audience really quick. But then if you switch material... Oh, no, you don't know what that is? Oh, you're an affiliate? Oh, cool. I'm not yet. I haven't streamed enough. But that's cool. But yeah, Jackbox party packs are a bunch of games that people. It's like a quiz trivia game. That a lot of people play through the browser, and usually it's up to like 10 players per game. So you just give them like a link and a code, and they go log into the website and they play with you on stream. Okay, I'm gonna be extremely lazy. And oh my god, these can also be used for the weapons. Oh, that's right. So we want price. We want what else? All the battle stats. What's that, modifiers? So these are metadata keys. And I want the, I think, ItemDB. I want the AI to write generators for, yeah. For ItemDB, so we can extract the data for specific item. Damn, I can make the generator do so much stuff that it's gonna be so useful for the game. Because I can make specific item registries for specific shops in the game, so that each item has a different price in the shop. Oh, the shop. Oh, I'm excited about this. We can do so many things. And quality, yeah, oh, that's true. I also want the quality price multiplier, because that's something that I want the player to be able to mess around with to an extent. The item, I'm not sure if the item should have capped values yet. I don't want that. So let's just do this. Just the price and just this. Then I can probably just add this into the generator. So let's just go and be lazy. Just move this. Actually, I can just just do this change. It's not needed. Update. Let me make this bigger. Speak up so this is easier to see. Enormous. Update. ItemDB generator. We want to add an enum to ItemDB for the item registry method keys. We want to avoid your references to these keys using strings. Let's instead use an enum. The metadata for the items, all the possible tools, all the for the items. So this possible. Are battle at modifiers at and the item price and enum. Let me see. And these same enum should appear in MDB. Also add getters and setters for these metadata, for these common data keys for item registry. For example, item db get item price, the item, and then the item registry instance. Just this. Or I think they just get price. Which internally calls something like which in the body, let's just say which in the body calls something similar to registry. Get metadata. If I remember, it's get item metadata. Is that right? Yeah, get item metadata. Item tp dot item dot gold. This is something else like arrow. The key item db dot item dot data. I think this is fine. Or item, just item metadata. Sounds good to me. Dot price. Then all right, let's launch this. Let's see what it comes up with. Do your thing. I think this is gonna be the whole stream, just the AI doing this, because this is gonna take a while. I think. I don't know. Let's see. Do your thing. Yeah, I'm really lazy. I don't want to do this. I could do it, but this is what's the right word? This is just tedious things. Because I like in my head it's really easy to code this, but it's a pain to debug because you're debugging strings and there's like so much crap that sometimes leaks into those strings that you forget and you need to format. And the AI is so much faster at typing than me. So yes, if this is cheating, I'm happy with it. I've done this before. Usually if there's something I have not done, I do it. But this is just extremely tedious programming that I can just... Thank you, sir. I'm glad it is approved. But yeah, this is very tedious programming that I've done before. And it's really cool when you do it the first time, though. I'll admit, the first time you figure out, hey, I can write code that writes code. It's amazing. Actually, I learned this. I'm not gonna go on a rant. Wait, you just triggered me, Kurtager. I'm gonna go on a rant. Where was it? I remember reading about code that makes code. Where was it? I think it was from... Oh gosh, this guy. Who's the guy? Who's the preacher of Linux? I don't know if the preacher. Preacher is not right. It's not the right word for Linux. Oh, it's Linus Torvalds. There are 3 people. No, there's Linus. Then there's the other guy from the free software fight, Stallman. No, it's not Linus. I'm not thinking about Linus. There's Stallman, Linus, and then there's one other guy that worked on the NTP protocol. Oh gosh, NTP protocol. No, it's Linus, Stallman, and Eric S. Raymond. That's it. That's the guy. Eric S. Raymond. Oh yeah. So in his website, let me see if I can find it. I wonder if it was there where I saw it. Let me see. I remember reading for the first time someone claiming that writing code that writes code was like an enlightenment because you don't have to type all that stuff and then you can just write a smaller code base that does a bunch for you. Code that writes. I think it was here the first time that I saw this. But this place, not this place, this website, I like it. It's not here. No, I don't remember, but I do remember the cones, the Linux cones. Is it no, rootless roots cones? I think rootless roots cones. The Unix cones. This is it. Oh yeah, I'm just randomly gonna drop this in the chat because it's just so funny for programmers to read this. Like the whole thing is just so funny. I especially like, which one was it? I think it was the 10,000 lines. Master Fu on the 10,000 lines. That one is awesome. I wonder if that's the one that my brain is referencing. No, I don't think it is. Oh yeah, yeah. I really like that one because it is so true. It's about writing. It's about balancing tasks or programming between C and shell programming. I'm writing something in Bash. Anyway, that was a rant. Hopefully that was entertaining. And people can read some funny cones, Unix cones. Quant, I don't know how to say that word. Oh, it was. I'm glad. I remember sharing. Oh, the other one that's also really funny. Hold on. I don't want to even talk about it. I just want to like link it and drop it in the chat. It's the one about with the GUI. There's one. Hold on. Where is it? I think there's one about the GUI programmer. The whole interaction is so funny. The way it's written. I think it's Master Fu discourses on the graphical user interface. If I remember. Oh yeah, yeah, that one. This needs to be read. This needs to be read by every single GUI programmer out there, for sure. I wonder what is the AI doing? Doing something weird here. Parse script classes for syntax validation. I mean, that should have been done here, or like, I think. Hmm. Expecting faro indentation. I'm forcing myself to stream every single day, even if it's just an hour. Yes. Good, good. Let the hate flow through you. I even forgot the commands that I had on stream. That I added. Oh, I think that... Hold on. I'm gonna be testing stuff on stream live right now. Because I want to know if it works. So do the emote wall works? Does it work, the emote wall? Oh, it's still working. The emote wall is still working. Ah. This stuff's still working. On the GIF? Wait, didn't I remember adding a hacker man command. Oh yeah. Hacker man. I need to up my streaming game later. I mean, not the game that I'm making, but you know, like streaming itself. All right, looks like the AI it's done. Implemented. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look. The IMDb should be generated already, so let's just take a look. Oh my god, so sexy. I'm glad that it does it for me. Hell yeah. And then the IMDb generator. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, we need the enum defined in 2 places. Which is silly, but that's okay. I wonder if you use the actual same item metadata too. Oh yeah. So I should be able to just add the key. Hell yeah. I did this correctly, like I wanted. So we have the modifiers. Oh yeah. Oh my god, everything is looking so good. I'm excited. And I just have to lay back and tell it what to do. Alright. Although it sucks for most other game dev stuff, but for the really tedious stuff that helps a lot on writing a bunch of code, it's amazing. I'm so happy. Right, we have prices for a bunch of stuff. I actually need to add some more items. Hold on. I have... Thing is, I'm not sure. I don't know what I want to do with the item stuff. Let me just commit this. No, the whole thing. Update the item. The generator. So, yeah, item B generator. For item metadata. Jeez. And oh wait, I did not check the getters. I'm just gonna commit this. Yeah. Do you have the price function? Oh, hell yeah! Hell yeah! This is so exciting. So much code that I did not have to write. Alright. Feels lame if I end the stream right here. We have 20 minutes. Let's do something exciting. Actually, manual work. Screw you, AI. Let's do something else. Okay, something. Oh, yeah. Push the changes. That's something exciting and important. Hell yeah. Let's go. So I was working on. Oh, the actual AI did the. Actually, we need to finish working on the tag function. So yeah, let's just keep doing this. Let's see if we can crack it open. Crack this problem open in 20 minutes. So let's go. Very GD. We go to attack function. So this is what screwed up. Let's just implement one weapon. When we don't have, let's just keep it unfist. Well, empty. If it's empty, it should still be fists. Okay, I'm just gonna use the same sword that we used. So player.attack. I'm gonna do something really crappy just to test it. But I need to test the equipment component too, because right now, if I remember, are the signals connected? No, there's still no signals are not connected. Okay, let's just do this manually. Let's start here. Yeah, when the weapon is equipped, we wrote a battle stats utility. Oh gosh, that it's also stopped out. Oh my god, this needs to be fixed. There's so much stuff that needs to be fixed. I don't think I can crack this in 20 minutes. But and weapon equipped. Yeah, it needs all this stuff. Because we want to pass the health component. We want to pass the mana component. We want to pass the stamina component. And I'm just gonna write these functions and then stop this out. Keep it stopped. I'll implement the battle stats utility functions later. Oh no. Oh yeah, wait. No, this is fine because the weapon equipped. I just need to bind the callable. It's gonna give me the weapon and the weapon instance data. Right. So I need to bind. Yeah. And I can bind the remaining oh no. The remaining values. Oh, but this is wrong. Wait, is it? No, it's not. So we just do this. And then we do bind V. And we skip this too. I think the order of the... That's right. I think I need to reverse the order of the arguments if I remember. But I'm just gonna keep it as is. You see funk. Oh, the LSP is screwed up, maybe. Found funk. Where's the funk text here? Returns are callable. What? What? My brain is not braining. Oh, here. It's just a value that I need. Oh yeah. And then we want to do the same, but we want to change weapon for use weapon, quiver equip, yeah, all this stuff. And oh my god, and the unequipped stuff too. Yeah. So those functionality needs to be separated. So we need how many? One, two, three. From here. 7 more other 7, so 14. Actually, yeah, 14. Should be 14, I think. Yeah, 14. Okay, let's start. We already did weapon equipped, so switch weapon for quiver. Switch weapon for head armor. Switch weapon for forearm armor. Weapon for chest armor. Weapon for leg armor. Weapon for foot armor. And then I need to rename all the equipped or unequipped. Then the same. Actually, it's easier to just copy paste this. Then again, equipped for unequipped, and then we're good. Oh yeah. We have equipment functionality. Now here, I want to be lazy again and ask the AI to do this for me, because I can. It feels like the AI could do this for me. Oh yeah, I want to be lazy. This is just addition. This is simple math, like add values and remove values. But the item instance data needs to be stopped out because it depends on. Although I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna stick to using arrays. So I'll probably need to change this for the item instance data. Not arrays, the dictionaries. Yeah, dictionaries with the item metadata values. I mean keys. Item metadata properties. Keys. So this can be filled by the AI. Let's see. Let's do this. Let me save first my changes though. I don't want the AI to overwrite something that I did not save. Okay. Connect equipment, component, signals. There. It's so good to have simple patterns that the AI can just fill for you. It's a fancy typewriter. I love it. Okay, update. What was the file again? Oh gosh, my memory. The battle stats utility. Battle stats utility component. Used functions in item gb to fill in the function bodies. Yeah, is to have the item this Oh shit, wait, did I need to update the components? Did I do that? Stamina. Because each of these needs to have a modifier value. Oh shit. Uh, I need to track. Wait, no. No, because the modifier value is already tracked by the weapon itself. So when we equip on equip, it's a zero-sum game. Right. Right. Yeah. Take it out. No, not needed. The value. The item. How do I explain this? There is to have the battle stat modifiers provided by the items to be added. To the components. Is it components? Is that just, yeah, it's the components. Yeah, health component. Yeah, totally. Objects. As to the function. Or removed. On the operation. Add on values on equipped. Move and subtract. Right. Let's see, we've got 10 minutes. 10 minutes to be lazy and talk. You see, this is why I like to use the AI too. I can talk a lot more. I can focus on chat and still get some work done. Some work. Very, very good work. I like this fancy typewriter. I'll probably be one of the first humans to get killed by the AIs. Yep. I'm saying it on stream. I'm not suicidal at all. But hey, I see you typing Hackerman. Yes, I'm hacking life here. I'm spending my life making games. Let life make my games. That's such a that didn't work out, but hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's do this. Let's be lazier a little bit and put work where it matters. Let the typewriter type things for me. I really like this flow though. You know, I like all the stuff that I do is really low level. Like I like to write really low level stuff that then I like string together to make work. Because first off, the code is probably way faster than writing a top down. Usually the way I develop stuff is bottom up. Like I do the bottom stuff, the most tedious stuff, and figure out how to make it fast. Not tedious stuff, the more interesting stuff that feels complex in my head. And then figure out how to make it really fast. And then on top of that, I start adding systems and abstractions to tie stuff together. And I never noticed this pattern, but I keep seeing like there's a lot of boilerplate code, right? That you need to write sometimes, like the stuff that I'm working on right now. But I didn't know that at first when I started working on this stuff. I didn't know that there was gonna be so much boilerplate code that seem, that are very simple abstractions and you're just tying a lot of stuff together. And when I noticed that, I was like, hey, these fancy typewriters can do this for me. Hell yeah. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna keep doing it. There's a bunch of code that I don't need to write. I've wired the utility complex, it says. Next, I'm running headless validation to ensure that updated utility dependencies. Oh my god. Just jumping too fast. Parse load cleanly. Okay. All right. Thank you for being here, Kurt. You've been here for the whole stream, basically. I'm about to end it. So thank you. Have a good night. Battle stats is now fully wired. Let's go. Oh yeah. The fire sign. That's okay. One function to rule them all. All right. This looks good to me. Hell yeah. Update battle stats utility. No, flash out. This is to implement. And the git push is not working again. That's okay. I'll fix it later. All right. All right. We're now ending stream. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Let's roll the credits. Stream participant. Kurtjer, thank you for being here. Me, because I typed me on me again. And that's a bot. Vacant. Oh my god. Screw that bot. No, get out of here. I don't want to see you. No. Vacant. I banned them, so screw you. Another bot. Screw you. Alright, thank you all for being part of the stream. I'm banning this bot out of here, and then we are done. Thank you, everyone, for watching. It was a pleasure to be here. See you next time.